In this video, I'll show you how to download Adobe Creative Cloud for free on your PC, laptop, or Mac. First, open your web browser and go to the official Adobe website. Click Start Free Trial, then choose the plan that best suits your needs. You can select either the individual or business plan. For this tutorial, we'll choose the individual plan. Enter your email address and click Continue. Next, complete the required information, including your payment details. Adobe may ask for a valid payment method, but you won't be charged if you cancel before the free trial ends. Accept the terms and complete the sign-up process. Now, download and install the Adobe Creative Cloud app. Sign in using the same Adobe account you just created. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to browse and download Adobe apps directly from the Apps section of Creative Cloud. And that's how you can download Adobe Creative Cloud for free on your PC, laptop, or Mac.